Hi, I'm Jan Prakash, a BTech Computer Science student at Lovely Professional University. Today, I will walk you through my project titled PNR API testing using RestAssured, where I will simulate and test a railway reservation system using Java and REST API concepts. The idea behind the project is to test a mock API that behaves like a real Indian Railway PNR inquiry system. It helps validate endpoints like PNR number, train details, travel date, and passenger status before integrating with a front-end or database. So first of all, I will show you the tools which we are going to use in this project. So here are the tools which we are going to use. So first of all, we will be using Eclipse IDE for coding, Maven dependency for dependency management, REST assured for HTTP request and testing, JUnit for structuring the test, and a mock server to simulate API responses. So before proceeding with the testing, we have to make a mock server. So I have made a mock server earlier with the endpoints which we have given in our project. So the endpoints are PNR number, train number, travel detail, rate, and passenger details. So first of all, we will run the mock server in our command prompt. So to run the mock server, we will write npx JSON server, and now we will paste the path of the server. Copy as path, enter. Our mock API is running successfully on localhost 3000. Now we have to go to Eclipse IDE. We have to create a file known as Maven project. We have to create simple project like next. You have to give any group ID like something, anything you can give. Artificial ID 123 PNR provided system and finish. You have to click on finish. But I've made it beforehand, so I will not create a new one. So I will do cancel. So after creating this is my Maven project known as PNR API test. So after creating this project, we have to create a package in the SRC test Java folder. Right click on SRC Java test, go to new, click on package, give the name, anything you can give the name, and click on finish. I have made a package named as com.pnr.test. Then now right click on the package, go to new, create a class, give any name like PNR API testing, PNR API testing. Okay, public, and click on finish. This will create a Java test file in where we will write the test codes. Beforehand, we have to add some of the dependencies which we which will help us to run the test successfully. So we will click on the form.html file and add three dependencies which we are required in the project. The first dependency is rest assured dependency, which you can get it on Google Chrome. You have to go to Maven dependencies site, click on the first link. Here type rest, sorry, rest assured. Click on enter. The first link is there. Click on there. These are the versions of RestAssured. We will take the latest one, 5.5.1. Click here. Copy this one. Add it here. Okay. Similarly, we have to add two more dependencies. The second one is JUnit. So we will search JUnit. Point 1, 13.2. Control C. And again, we will paste it. Okay. And at last, we have to copy the last dependency, ham crust. Request. Click on to copy copy the dependency and paste it here. Okay. After pasting all the dependencies, we have to save the file. Control S. The file is saved. Now we will go to our class file, Java file, PNR API test Java. So we have written the code. The code I will explain you the code. First of all, we will import the rest assured file. Import IO rest assured. This will import the rest assured dependency. For doing the testing beforehand, we have to give the URL of the mock server API. So we have used RestAssured.base URI for giving the URL of our mock API server. So first I have to get the PNR number. So I will use .get PNR number. Then status code. We will check the status code by 200. If the status code is 200, then the result will be in green color. And the second test, similarly, we will do this for train number, travel details, and train passenger details array. In the last, we will check the passenger details array. Sorry. In the last, we will check the passenger details array by typing the state. In the last, we will check the passenger details array. After writing the code, we will go to run. If all the tests are correct, they have given 4 tests: 1, 2, test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4. We have given 4 tests in our file. So here it is written 4 by 4 runs and 0 failures. Okay. Therefore the line is green. If any of the test is wrong, the this line will be in red color. So the line is green, so our project is running very successfully and all the tests are passing successfully. Thank you for watching the video and make sure to like the video. Thank you.